On October 6, 1973, Egypt was destined to write a new chapter in history with letters of light. There was a great war known as the October War, one of the most prominent battles fought by the Egyptian armed forces with courage and determination to liberate the land and restore dignity. Preparations for the October War began years before the actual attack. Egypt was under the leadership of the late President Anwar Sadat, who made the decision for war after a thorough study of all aspects. Sadat knew that achieving victory required meticulous planning and high coordination among various forces. For this reason, he worked with senior military leaders like General Saad el-Shazli, the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, to prepare a comprehensive attack plan. One of the key reasons for the success of the October War was the absolute secrecy surrounding the attack plan. Israel believed that the Egyptian army was incapable of launching a large-scale attack, especially after the defeat in the 1967 war. But a big surprise awaited them. On the morning of October 6, Egyptian planes began to soar in the sky over Sinai, accurately bombing Israeli positions. This airstrike was the first spark of the battle. After the successful air bombardment, it was the turn of the ground forces, who were eagerly awaiting the order to cross. The Suez Canal was considered an impregnable barrier, and Israeli forces relied on the Bar Lev defensive line, regarded as one of the strongest defensive lines in the world. But the Egyptian soldiers had enough courage and will to break this barrier. Using powerful water hoses, the soldiers managed to remove the massive earthen rampart protecting the Bar Lev line, and began crossing the canal under heavy fire cover. The Egyptian armed forces displayed extraordinary heroism and high coordination among various branches during the October War. The Air Force, led by General Mohammed Hosni Mubarak, played a crucial role in neutralizing Israeli aircraft and preventing them from attacking ground forces. As for the ground forces, they showed exceptional bravery in facing Israeli tanks, with special forces and paratroopers conducting qualitative operations behind enemy lines. Egypt was not alone in this battle. There was broad Arab support for Egypt during the war. Arab countries imposed an oil embargo on nations supporting Israel, creating significant economic pressure on those countries. Additionally, Arab nations like Syria and Iraq provided direct military support, with Syrian forces participating in the Golan Heights battle concurrently with the Egyptian attack on Sinai. Despite the significant challenges faced by the Egyptian forces, whether from the enemy or the difficult geographical nature, the Egyptian soldier rose to the occasion. The Egyptian forces demonstrated great resilience against Israeli counterattacks, and the Egyptian soldier fought with firm faith in God's victory and his right to defend his homeland. At the end of the battle, Egypt achieved its objectives. The Egyptian army managed to cross into Sinai and control a large part of it. This victory was a restoration of dignity for the Egyptian people, proving that Egypt could face any challenge, no matter how great. The October War was a significant lesson in courage, determination, and good planning. We learned that unity and cooperation among the people of the homeland can achieve the impossible. We also learned the importance of faith in God and hard work to achieve goals.